stay on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Wood Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today we're going to share a bit on the news, some things to take note. Some of you are making money daily on our YouTube channel. So one area is this listing. So Bitstamp is actually listing SLP, SXP, and Cell. Very important. I covered this video. So basically, Smooth Love Potion is a token earned by playing Axie Infinity game and serve as a replacement for the game experience points. So normally when things get listed, guys, one area is that you can make 5 to 10% average. Okay, again, this is not financial advice, so still do your own research. Swipe also is a native token behind Swipe Wallet, a platform that is connecting fiat and cryptocurrency with its API with purpose to create a global payment card. Quite interesting project. We haven't done our research on this as well as Smooth SLP, but I have covered Cell. And today, guys, can't see my screen, but I actually made money from Celsius. I get paid every week on every Monday. I know Monday is a Monday blues, but it's so nice to get a bell sound and see that you have money. So I'm staking Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Polygon, and I bought Cell coins also. So check it out. It's a native platform and they pay you every week and for 52 weeks, right? Great guy, great video. Do check out in our tokenomics section. So I will not go into this. Basically, just covered a bit on the pairings, right? Cell has many pairings. You can actually purchase it off the application itself, and Celsius is actually looking to hit their community over 1 million. Actually, they hit 1 million recently, and they earned 17% on their crypto. And you know, you can borrow cash. I think one good strategy is for Celsius, if you are owning Bitcoin, have it between 0.9, so you get the max 6%. Hold it there, you get paid about $100 plus US dollars a week. And then what happens when Bitcoin crashes, especially when the technical charts, I've covered that on the EMA, 20 days average drops below the 140 days. That's the time where you borrow money on your collateral. Use Bitcoin as your collateral, borrow a certain amount of money and pay less than 1%. You can go as long as 3 years and then buy back that Bitcoin. And of course, with our price prediction, looking at a lot of all those algorithms, right? Like now we are looking at plan B, Bitcoin is going to hit 98,000. That's when you sell, pay back the loan, and then just pocket 30 to 40 over $1,000, right? So something to take note. Again, this is not financial advice, so please trade with cautious and be responsible with your trades.
Yeah, we keep on reminding you guys.
we have to keep reminding you guys because sometimes greed and fear is the two emotions.
Don't sue us for any legality of anything.
And legalities also, yeah. So don't get too greedy, don't get too fearful, and always be a contrarian thinker, right? People are greedy, you be fearful. When people are fearful, that's where you become greedy. Traveler.com partners with D-Travel to integrate TRVL. So TRVL token holders will soon be able to book 3 million travel products in 230 countries, boosting TRVL adoption. So,
yeah, I think we should buy this. We should keep it. I think last time also I covered this. This is something is also in Binance. They have some integration with Binance. So if you're holding certain tokens, Bitcoins, or any other altcoins,
you get certain
you'll
perks.
be able to.
Yeah. So this is the new future. I think they are the first. I don't know whether they're competition, but we'll do a research. So stay tuned for Traveler.com. We will find out what is the best thing that you guys can do, because in the crypto space, when we hit that $1 million, you guys will quit your job, most likely doing the things you love, and then loving is also traveling, right? So either you travel in cyberspace using the VR, or you can take a trip down to Egypt and touch the stones yourself, right? So something to take note. So Traveler is the world leading cryptocurrency, right? Travel online, travel agency integrated with 600 over airlines, 400 over activities in more than 230 countries. And I think this is something like, I remember there was one, We Were Here. It's a kind of a MLM wish you were here, right? Wish you were here. I forgot what was that MLM company called. And I think they followed that kind of model, so you can get certain points where hotels, travel, tourism. We will do much research on this and share with you just the quick rundown of what you can do to get the best possible value from this, right? So yeah, founded in 2017, now backed by Binance. Traveler is a leading cryptocurrency, 230 over countries, 600 airlines globally. So best price guaranteed, right, for smart users on Traveler, and enjoy additional discounts, loyalty, rewards. So these are two things we will check it out and let you guys know. Or you can do your own research. There's also that. Also, why Bitcoin is the best weapon society has against inflation and wealth inequality. I think this was the first step in Bitcoin. As we always know, this has been talking for so many years. It's the new gold 2.0 because it is portable. You don't need to transfer 1 ounce of gold. Try doing that to travel from one country, right? So this is like cross borders portability is there. Price prediction right now is 98,000. Of course, the central bank has certain concerns, but as always, now we have the adoption of all the countries. We have adoption of institutions, especially in the banking and finance side. They can't trade yet. They are coming through EFTs. EFT is mostly catering for the baby boomers. So the baby boomers are the older generations, your grandpa and fathers, right? So they are the ones that are in the other traditional markets, which is so huge, guys, so huge. But in the crypto space, it's only $3 trillion, right? 2.5 in fact today. So it's just a matter of time where we will exponentially double. And can you imagine where all your coins will be? So I don't see that you can make any mistakes in the crypto space if you hodl, if you do dollar cost average as a simple basic fundamental. So if you practice that, you'll be fine in the next few years, right? So if you are young, you're age 25 to 45-year-old male. I know there's not much females in this space. You have time in your hands. You have time. Unlike us, we are slightly a bit older. We want to buy back our time that we lost over the last few decades, right? Okay. So now the poor and working class, the little bonus on their cash during the pandemic, either they spend on survival or stagnation, unable to get a property. They can either benefit from the rising house property and not even starting a business equity by replacing the rent with mortgage payments. Stock market may technically be within their reach, but a profound handicap due to high transaction fees. These are all, check this out, these are all the challenges we know. We understand Robert Kiyosaki is always talking about buying assets, having assets to generate two things, capital appreciation and passive income. Yet, look at this. This is the state of the economy right now. Too many hands in the pot, a lot of policies. By the time you even buy a stock, you have to wait maybe many years for it to actually double, unlike the crypto space. And that's why the SEC as well as government policies are coming on the CeFi space. And myself and Manish will be researching. I know some of you in our Telegram posted on D5. Stay tuned. There is certain information that we'll be sharing, not just your general that you can pick off of YouTube. Full research will be done both on the tech side. Manish covers the tech, the value proposition. He understands that much better than me. I understand the macroeconomics and the nature of the coin and the business value proposition, right? So both of us combined, you guys get double value. So one main thing is inequality, right? So we see the separation of wealth. Kiyosaki 5-6 years ago, he was talking about the hourglass, means there's no more middle class, right? The moment you have debts and you have to work to pay your debts, you are poor. You're considered poor, right? That's the definition that Kiyosaki gave. When you have passive income, meaning assets working for you, you can quit your daytime job and live the life that you were born to live, you are rich, right? So hourglass, the middle class has been wiped out, guys, wiped out. So if you are rich, you can take higher money supply, use it to your advantage. If you are poor, you really can't. You're stuck. And whatever cash you're holding, you have in the new economy. And guys, if you are poor, I mean, no disrespect for the definition of poor. Poor meaning that you don't have assets working for you. This is your chance now. You only have this window period for the 5 to 10 years to make this life changing wealth and share it with people. Share it with others, because the more people gets on this space, the more people learn, and together as a community. When I say community, I'm not talking about Root Zone's community. I'm talking about the crypto community made up of men and women in a $3 trillion, very small part of the major markets out there, right? So we have real estate, commodities, we have paper assets, we have business, right? So share it, and stop sharing hate comments, guys. I mean,
Yeah.
every one of us have certain a community means it's not Wayne and Manish who have all the answers. If you have something of value, share it on our comment, let us know, and we all grow together.
Yeah, so we will do some research and we'll try to answer your questions, whatever your comments you has it.
Yeah.
Of course, if you want to, with a less effort, you want to learn about crypto, of course, you join, subscribe our channel. Definitely, will keep you with tons of information. We'll be bombarding you in our Telegram channel, YouTube channels. You can see now it's almost a university now with 200 videos. So do subscribe, start watching our live, our how to's, the tokenomics. You will get lot more information about crypto here, because
Yep.
we started also with a little knowledge, and we did lots of research. We invested our time, and now we are here. Yeah.
Yeah, and this was myself and Manish's journey into the crypto space. We are only 5 months in this, and we have learned so much more. And we met great people, great minds, great vision, and we want to take those gems, and put it into a content to share with you guys. Of course, based on math, based on science, fundamentals, the technical, the risk and cash flow, so that you guys can quickly look at this scorecard and make a quick decisions to make money. That's the name of the game. So that's all, Manish, I have on the news today. Handing back to you.
Yeah.
So while Manish sets it up, join us daily live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, 10 p.m. Singapore time and 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Thank you for joining us. Let us know also in the comment section. There are certain questions that you may have, dying, burning questions. We also always trying to answer everything we can on the Telegram group. And there's some great people, Manish, also in the Telegram group, always giving ideas. They find, there's 14,000 coins, guys. We can't possibly cover. But recently, myself and Manish has been researching more on the DeFi, gaming, NFT, the metaverse, and finding those gems for you guys based on our certain models in terms of what performs and highlighting the risk. So stay tuned, join us, and share. Manish, back to you.
Yeah, guys. So today I just come across this NFT token called Cornucopias, the island awaits. This is the Cardano first gaming project. This is hosted on a this is on a Cardano network, and this is the first gaming which going to release in December. So it's very early stage, but I'm just giving you some information. Probably Wayne will come up with a more detailed tokenomics of this project. Why it pull out my attention? Because it's a Cardano gaming gem, and Cardano is a very promising project. If such a big name is tagged with certain projects, definitely we'll be also excited, and we'll further deep dive and try to find out more information about this. So Cornucopias, the island, is a massive play to earn, build to earn, and learn to earn blockchain based game where players can rewarded with an or own trader trade characters, land properties, and other NFT based assets. So when I see their marketplace, as of now, it's empty, and then they are saying it's coming soon. So it's very early stage. Their tokens are not launched. They are. I'm just making you prepare. Of course, you have enough time to do further more research on this token. Uh, by December, they are going to launch the token, and they are planning to put it on a launch pad. So it'll be on any of the major exchange launchpad, and if you want to take advantage of that launchpad before the early release, of course you will have a great advantage of buying it early, because the prices will be less. Of course, when it's launched, it's a bit expensive. So let's go through about page. They have founding team informations, Mr. Robert. Rob is a serial entrepreneur building business and developing software for 20 years in a various industry. Highly skilled developer and business analyst. Rob is also a strong corporate and development background, which helps him to bridge the gap between stakeholders, back office, and developers. Mr. Jose is experienced startup entrepreneur for last 25 years, specializing in a building marketing team and crafting strategy to go to scale. And Jeff. Jeff has always been entrepreneurial. His first venture was co-founding a security software company that built the first ever behavioral malware detection software and was acquired by Symantec just 5 years later. So great team, and Mr. Ant is also there. Is a serial entrepreneur building business and testing software for 20 years. So all these teams, the brain behind this token is all coming from software industry. They have a vast knowledge and experience in the software industries, and they are their advisors. uh, yeah, of course, this is going to be launched on a Cardano network. So, of course, we have to be prepared. We have to lock our calendar, the release date, and we have to prepare. Of course, it's not a financial advice. Do check out your do your own research before you invest it here. Okay, I have seen somewhere the FAQ, which was very interesting. Let me see if I can find out. Yeah. Okay, so in this FAQ, you will get most of your answers. What is a Cornucopias game? Cornucopias, the island, is a massive earn to pay play to earn blockchain based game where players can be rewarded and own NFT based assets. So I'm not going on a white paper. Probably we'll come up with the details once the token is launched. It's so early to cover this because you will not be able to find this token in a CoinGecko or any other place. When you'll be buying this virtual land, we are uncertain the dates of our public land sales at this time, so they are not even planned it. Probably they'll be announcing. Even their website is not fully ready. That's what I can see now. What can you do with the virtual land? We are creating, the team is creating an entire economics based upon the zones that the land is in. What will be the total land unit for a sale? Okay, you can see the white paper tokenomics for more information. What can I do with the token? Our primary token will be able to buy land with. So once the token is released, using that token, you will be able to buy the lands. So it's almost similar kind of project which we have. Lots of metaverse related projects where you can buy the land. Mana is one of them. When will you be selling NFT? We are hoping to selling NFT by November, and the tokens will be launched by December. So when I check their Discord community, I can see they have around 8,303 members, where 2,803 members are online. So I think they started growing. The community started growing, and strong community started forming already. So let's see their Twitter handles, and Twitter handles also. They got around 13.9K followers. Look at the guys, the community, the strong community. They have it. The token is not even launched, the NFT is not even launched, the website is not even completed, and such a powerful community they have it. So yeah, it'll be too early to say that this project will be promising, but looking at their roadmap and the network which they are hosted, the blockchain they are hosted, like a Cardano blockchain, I have some kind of trust on this project. So that's all for today, and I'll hand over to Wayne.
Thanks, guys. Thanks. So some updates on the tokens. We have Blocktopia, right? I think for those of you who got in with us together very early in the days, your tokens now should be free. Myself and Manish, we are holding close to 250,000 tokens, and we have got back all the money, right? So just hold it on, because Blocktopia is going to be the new. I mean, I'm just waiting for the VR set. So once we have that VR, we can access the the city, we'll be able to see. Right now, they are also going into games. They just partner with Cedius. So this will be a P2E gaming NFTs, right? Looks promising. And more things that they will be coming out with. I'm just waiting. I heard that they are also coming out with certain VR and AR tech. They are partnering with someone, but I don't know. Let's see. Maybe it could be rumors.
So
So
guys, I think you might be also noticing that we are covering lots of new coins, new projects. Of course, in part of Rue Zones, we are doing more research on upcoming projects, and especially those are in metaverse technologies and metaverse space. So
yeah,
we are focusing on those kind of projects, and we see whichever project is promising and very early stage, we try to invest and get maximum return. Yeah, of
yep.
course, after getting some profit from there, we'll put into the premium coin and just keep it for our future. So this
Yep.
is the end goal.
Right. So our portfolio mostly, if we follow now the model 50, 25, 25, we have premium coins as well as new upcoming projects where we believe would be aligned to Facebook mission, right? Facebook now, of course, has been rebranded to call Meta, Metaverse. So the other one is also Meta Hero. So if you're not in, later we'll just cover a
No,
bit of the
they are.
charts.
I think yesterday Wayne shared me one video of CEO. I was pumped. The roadmap, the plan they
This
have it.
guy,
My
my
God,
God.
is amazing, guys. And if you have not watched that video, I would suggest that go to their YouTube channel and
YouTube
watch
channel,
that video which they have released recently.
yeah,
It will blow your mind.
it will blow your mind
Definitely, it will blow your mind.
because of the vision. He knows that he will be somewhat where you can take all the items in this physical world and really bring them into the metaverse, you know. And I think they will pay uh, dollars, no, 1,000
1,000 tokens, hero
tokens,
tokens.
hero
Once you
tokens
scan yourself
to
for
scan
this.
yourself, and they aim to do 100,000 people. So of course they will be in 3 different cities. Myself and Manish hopefully planning to head down to Dubai at some point
And
of
scan
time
ourselves.
and scan ourselves. So let's see. Hopefully, God willing, we
The Rule
can let.
Zone's avatar will be inside the hero.
Yeah, and then we can. And when you have your avatar, you and it's connected, maybe potentially moving forward via metaverse, you can transport your skin to anywhere. That is called interoperability, right? So you can maybe, who knows, bring yourself into the Sand, Mana, Decentraland. You can bring yourself into
And
Block.
this scan can also probably you can travel to the metaverse space, the Facebook metaverse space, and
Yeah,
do further more things. So
do
of course,
furthermore.
we in our early release we have a plan to go down and scan ourselves, put it our avatar here so that we can show you guys that True Zones, the two appointments are here.
So get it while you can. Of course, not financial advice. We're just sharing the awareness. We ourselves are heavily invested in the metaverse space. So let's look at the market. Of course, now we are neutral, right? Everybody is waiting. We're just waiting for that move. Stock market, fear index, stable as always, right? No issue there. We always keep eyes on this because this will, if it ever spikes, the spike that we ever had here was during the C19. So that was when we should have gotten to the crypto space, but we ended up doing airlines. We ended up doing oil because oil was cheap last year. We bought some gold, but if this would have been the best time to actually enter crypto during that time. But every day in the crypto space, there's always opportunity. So we still have time, guys. We still have time. So of course today is a mix. Almost like the Christmas season, right? So you can buy certain things on sale because when the bear falls, it falls faster than the bull climbs up. And you can just, if you are in excess of the green, you can take profits. So 14,000 coins, and that's why we want to build a community, guys. So if you find something great, do let us know in the channel. We'll cover it in depth. Right, 400 over exchanges, 2.6 trillion. Bitcoin, of course, and Ethereum takes about 70% of the share. Top 3 coins: Hamster, Shiba Zilla, and Doge Moon. Now, in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is down by 1.5, Ethereum down by 2.37. We have Binance down by 1.49, Solana up by 4.05, Cardano down by 3.07, XRP down by 1.29, Polkadot down by 1.82, and Avalanche, guys, Avalanche. I've been researching a lot on Avalanche lately. I'm going to come out something that's going to be very powerful. It's going to be mind-blowing, and it's going to be one of wealth changing, right? Wealth will. I just know about this avalanche. The more further I read, the more I understand what they are trying to do. This is a killer, and it's no accident that they reach to the top 10. And stay tuned for that. So join us in the Telegram group when we post that. Gotta watch this. Price prediction, of course, Bitcoin. We have 98,000 for this month, up to 250 as per Cathy Woods. Cathy Woods keep changing her mind. She's one of the best researchers. She has a team of researchers, so she does a lot of understanding of where the future will be. I've covered that video. So she's estimating that Bitcoin can hit 500,000 earlier, right? Because of C19 and the now where the world and all the it's a race now for the metaverse. All of us will be at home. We don't have to go anywhere. So most of the times we'll be trading, we'll be connecting on NFTs, we'll be making money, playing, having fun. So the world is going to change radically in the next 5 to 10 years, and we should be prepared for the change. You got to see the future, and you got to start investing now. Everything you have, of course, make sure that your portfolio is there, your house, your family, you're there. Trade with money that you can afford to lose, and we cover the risk, so take note of that. Ethereum 10 to 15,000, BNB 1,000, Solana 200 to 350, Cardano 3 to 5, XRP 20. We are still holding on to this. We are waiting for January because that is when the SEC will have the final say, right? Polkadot 85 to 100, and Avalanche. I have not yet fully researched, so I can't give a price prediction, but it has been stable. So let's look at over the trends. We have Block. So Block has been quite stable, trading between 10 cents, right? You can see this is on the day chart. Lowest we had was about 5 cents just a couple of weeks back. So for those who got in, great for you. You would have 2x your money right now. Take back your initial principal, leave the rest of the coins because they have not launched that yet. Hero. So Hero also highest it ever been was 17 cents. Currently now it's trading at 10 cents, right? So very early, guys, because if you look at these two coins in the metaverse space, most of their competition are already doing in the dollars. So for this to actually hit $1 is a no-brainer, right? Just a matter
I
of
think
time.
they have also launched that today. I was just watching. Something come in my mind, and I started searching about the Hero, and I found it's already listed in our app. Then I did a further research. Oh yeah, they recently launched it. So you can also check whether it's there in a Google Play
Yeah.
Store.
So most likely we will be able to scan objects, but you want to scan your full body, you got to fly to Dubai, and I think the other two more cities, and they will reinvest. This guy is a visionary. I don't know. He just reminds me of Jeff Bezos, right? From Amazon. So maybe check him out, understand his vision, and it's gonna fly, guys. I mean that's my personal opinion, not financial advice. So TCP, of course, we are owner of TCP. Highest it ever went was at $2, right? I can just see it on my chart, but of course the closest is 50 cents. So this baby will explode because the gambling industry, I mean, I should not say that, Paul, the owner, might think, because he said that this is not like gambling. It's really a method to
It's
actually
a
trade
prediction, I think. Yeah, the
charts
further enhanced version of
version.
your
Further,
gambling.
that's a very nice way to put it. Yeah, but it creates that emotions where you make the guess, and then if you win the entire TCP, and then you can cash it out, or you can upgrade your NFT, place that inside OpenSea, and sell that. I saw one sale, I think was $1 million trying to sell an NFT. So check it out. TCP is also great. Mana, of course, we are keeping eyes. It's a bit high. We're keeping eyes on the price because this is a great play to trade.
Mana, Sand, we are keeping eyes. Mana, we are keeping eyes. And Gala.
And Gala, yeah. So Gala, Mana, and Sen, right? So
Gala, Mana, and Sand.
Bitcoin, of course, still waiting for this thing to the whales, right? So there's a play of whales. And let's see, because we still have the wall at the 70,000. If we break this, we will fly all the way to 98. And then there's a psychological resistance at 100,000. So most people will want to cash it out by 100,000. But I guess that's the way Bitcoin has always been. We are hopefully repeating the history in 2017. So let's see. Ethereum, of course, is something that we are waiting for Ethereum 2.0 to come. Because while even we know that it's expensive, still there are wallets being created every day, and people are still using the Ethereum network, right? The rest of the coins I won't cover much. Ethereum, let's look at Suri. So Suri, if you have not watched our video and if you think that 15 cents is very expensive, try watching our earlier video when we covered that Solana will explode, and that time at that video we were talking about $29. Today Solana is 250. We feel that Suri network is going to be another game changer. They have great stuff. Manish is going to crack the code on all the technicalities. So you guys are going to get a lot of value to really understand Suri. Again, it's not financial advice. You still do your own research. But there are two coins that we are looking. Suri and one more was, Manish, what was that?
Glitch, is it?
Glitch, yeah. So these two, we are looking at this. And recently, I've just been observing AVAX. Today, I've made some purchase on a high price because I come to know that this Avalanche, a lot of DAO makers are actually going to, from the DeFi space, are going to be on Avalanche. They are much more cheaper than Ethereum.
This will also go hit around 250, 300 soon, like a Solana. And guys,
They
I can see YouTube, our viewers are there. So guys, if you are watching us, do give us a hi so that we can see who and all is joined.
Yeah. So do like our videos, guys. So we want to get out to more people also, and just bring the community together, because we find that a lot of people have certain ideas, right? It's not just me and Manish who have all the answers, but those contributions, those value makes us grow together.
Yeah,
Our
and our
wealth and
community in
knowledge.
Telegram is great. I think they are contributing it.
Yep.
I have seen that if somebody has a questions, they voluntarily go and answer those questions. That's really appreciate the guys, the efforts what you're putting it in our group, and our group also growing. We
Yep.
started from 10, 15, and now we have around 150
150.
close to in a
Yeah.
Telegram group.
Yeah, close to 150 of you guys. Amazing folks there. And Ohm, so similar to Avalanche, right? Ohm, the challenge with Ohm is that it's built on the Ethereum network. So there's
Wow, oh,
other
the
new,
very holy word of Hinduism.
yeah. So there are new things. Olympus, this Greek, basically Om is the Hindu, but the full length of this is called Olympus, and we've been studying that also. And there will be new coins that will be coming out where you can get in early at maybe 200 or 100 over, and get it to this price of $900. They have really good AP wise payout, but again, to get out those money, you have to pay with Ethereum, which I don't like. That will that change with Ethereum 2.0? I don't know. So we'll see what's going to happen. So again, stock to flow, yeah, very close to hitting this line, and Bitcoin will go all the way to 100, and all the way to 1.3 million in 2025, and that's why we are buying projects now that can explode, so that we can come back to buy in Bitcoin, because we missed that whole saga, right, from last year to this time. So that's something you want to think of in terms of a long-term strategy. And total hash rates also, we are coming up now. It's 160. We are short at the highest. We were at 180. So the mining is great for Bitcoin. No issue there. Only the recent tweak that China has kind of hunted down all these miners and then caused the market to dip a bit, about 5% for Bitcoin. But however, China is one of the biggest country, second biggest, to hold a lot of Bitcoin,
Yeah,
right? So
and those who are interested in mining videos, we have covered. We have couple of videos in our YouTube channel. One recently I created by using KuCoin and some program script, which I have given in a description. You can download that script and you can start mining your from your desktop PCs. Of course, in your desktop PCs, if it's higher, if you have some graphics card in your PCs, 20 hash, you will get it, and at least some Ethereum or Bitcoin, you'll be able to mine it. So do check out our videos. Probably it will help you. It's very easy to configure. I have given a step-by-step tutorial there. So just
yep. Yep. So, your cash machine, convert your PC into a cash machine. Bitcoin wallets also are growing every single day, guys. So this means new people are coming into the market. So when you put your money into the crypto, and we are very small again, $1 trillion becomes 6 trillion 1 year from now. I can tell you, any coins that you buy, you will be making money, because
yeah,
you
and
need.
of course, what money you're holding in your bank account definitely is going to be 3x, 2x, more than that. What the returns you will get it from a bank.
Right. And
So yeah,
today's
let your money work for you.
Yeah, make your assets work for you because inflation, I covered this very simply put. If at a 15% CPI or an inflation of 15%, your $1 million would be close to 50% down, right? Your 1 million will become $500,000 in less than 5 years. So that is why everybody is slowly coming into this space, but institution cannot because of policies, financial banking policies tells them that in order for them to print, they have to buy more gold, and they cannot buy into crypto because crypto is still not considered as a financial asset. So, but it will change. When it change in time, you'll get massive money coming out from a $215 trillion market into the crypto, and then voila, right? You get to see all your Bitcoin and all the macro cap coins will explode. So with that, we come to this last part. Of course, just come over to the videos section, right? You can see Manish was talking about borrowing and lending, or go straight directly to our playlist. You have all the tokenomics, all the coins that we are buying into, and we do a great research on it. Most of our live channels we're doing daily, every day once, and learn about cryptocurrency. Just to keep that knowledge going, stack on it, and make a judgment call. So with that,
Yeah,
we have
and if you are confused and puzzled, just watch our Learn Cryptocurrency Investing. You probably get an insight of the crypto thing, and do join our daily update from here after also if you want to join us. Yeah.
right. So with that, we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Same time, same channel. Take care.
See you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And enjoy.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better